uphill finish here in the Basque Country. First victory for you, played good way. How do you expect it's going to be the rest of the week?
Yeah, I think the race is still really open, and today I felt good. I'm super happy for the win, and the next days we will see how other teams will race, and I think like I said, the race is still really wide open.
Only a few seconds from Rolex, big chance to win.
Yeah, I don't know. 4 seconds. 4 seconds is not a lot, but the gap is getting smaller. But I'm pretty happy with the form, with the shape, and how the things are now.
Thank you very much.